Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install phones in your computer on Windows system operations. So in here, I have already opened my browser and I want to find a phone to install. I'm going to find it on thephone.com. Click on enter. Okay, so in the phone in here, just find the phone that you want to install. For example, here I'm going to install this Super Monday phone. So just click on download first. Wait for the download to start and finish. Okay, so now I'm going to find the downloaded phone on my file explorer. Go to download and here find the file. So the file will be on the compressed file like this, and if you want to install, you need to extract first. So right click and here choose to extract here, and after that you can just click on the phone in here. Click on it like this. So this is the phone, the Super Monday phone, and you can just click on install and just wait until the installing process is finished. So when the install buttons cannot be clicked, that means that the phone has been successfully installed. You can just close it and that's it. So when you open a Microsoft Word or others that needs to add a phone, you'll find the phones that you've installed there. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.